with someone else. So this took me by surprise. Oh yeah. Even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like yeah. Wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality. And now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like yeah. promised we would find the time.